Flat screens boring? Let Bose blow your sofa off. Meet the Surround Speakers 700 Baby. Ever tried watching a high-speed car chase or a Jurassic Park stampede on your premium TV only to realize it sounds like a blender in a closet? You're not alone. Most home theaters promise big but leave you stuck in sonic purgatory, muffled dialogue, half-baked bass, and sound that travels about as far as your remote signal. It's not just annoying, it's a betrayal to your inner cinephile. You invest in the screen, but your ears feel robbed. It's time to stop pretending you're immersed when you're really just enduring. Now let's crank the pain dial. Movie nights become more like midnights. Action scenes? They fizzle. Concerts? Flat. Your couch crew starts checking their phones mid-scene. You try to tweak settings or rewire that spaghetti mess behind your TV, but it's a vibe killer. All those wires. All that setup drama. And yet, zero cinematic payoff. You're tired of surround sound that sounds like a mosquito in each ear. You deserve better than background buzz. You're not a tech guru. You're just someone who wants to feel something. Enter Bose Surround Speakers 700, the real MVP of your home theater fantasy. These premium wireless surround speakers aren't just speakers, they're teleportation devices for your ears. Designed to blend seamlessly with your Bose Soundbar and Bass Module 700, these bad boys deliver rich, directional audio so precise, you'll swear Vin Diesel is whispering behind your couch. Setup? Plug. Pair. Boom. No tangled wires, no decoder ring required. It's like upgrading from dial-up to fiber optic, except for your soul. Instantly hear the difference as your living room transforms into an IMAX-worthy experience. Explosions rumble with realism. Footsteps crawl with creepy precision. Dialogue cuts clean through the noise. Thanks to the wireless receivers and sleek omni-jewel design, these speakers scream premium without the clutter. Whether you wall mount or tabletop them, they'll fit your vibe. Oh, and if you dare to add the Bass Module 700, prepare to feel bass the way cavemen felt thunder. No lie, your popcorn might jump. So stop faking wow and start living it. Don't let another Friday night fall flat. Bose Surround Speakers 700 aren't just a want, they're an upgrade to your entire life's soundtrack. Tap into theater-grade, decor-matching, goosebump-generating wireless magic right now. Click that add to cart like your ears depend on it, because they absolutely do.